Hi everyone, I'm Jojo from Congo, a sophomore at the College of Idaho, and I'm majoring in biomedical science.
Hello, my name is Joyce, a student from Ghana. I'm also a sophomore over here at the college, and I'm also majoring in biomedical science.
Yeah, so today we're gonna show you a dance video that we came up with this week, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you to Aniela for recording the video. Thank you.
Tune into the King of Songs of Blues. Greatness. DJ Natune. Joe boy one day. I'm going to buffet. No my get so come and love back. Body on che. I thought I don't mind the pepe them. No you don't matter. Cause you go there. About to put the rape the one I should be shake. I don't wanna hear you say. I don't wanna hear you there with another man. The way your body do it. I don't like that because you with another man. I don't wanna hear you say. I don't wanna hear you there with another man. The way your body do it. I don't wanna see you with nobody. Don't wanna see with nobody.
Baby, this your body, no be, yeah. I tell you, say you fine, you know they get. Me, I know be Dondi. I see you with the soji. Anyway, me, I know go get. Not only you, I want I swear. So don't waste time, baby, my rose. Ooh, yeah, cause it be you.